Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new habit to the Blobby application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the Add a New Habit button in the middle of the screen. Select a category, skills and productivity, hobbies and social, household and finance, mind and soul. So tap on the relevant one, and after that you should type in your challenging daily goal. Then you should type in the minimal version of that goal. Then tap on the save button down below. As you can see here is your skills and productivity habit that you have just added at your home page, and if you slide to the right side of the screen you can check out other ones as well. If you have completed this goal of yours, tap on the done button down below and select which one you have completed, such as the baseline or the challenging one. Tap on the relevant one, and here you can set a reminder if you want to. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.